Want to update your Rogers 5G home internet Wi-Fi password, SSID, or security settings? As of November 2025, the easiest way is through the Rogers My Wi-Fi app. Open the app on your smartphone or tablet and log in with your Rogers account. Navigate to the Wi-Fi settings section, usually found under Network or Wi-Fi Management. From there, you can change your SSID, the name of your Wi-Fi network, create a strong password, and select your security protocol. For security, always choose WPA3 if your devices support it. Rogers now enforces password complexity rules, so your password must be at least 12 characters long and include a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. If you prefer using a web browser, you can access your gateway's settings by typing 192.168.0.1 into your browser's address bar. Log in using the credentials found on the sticker on your Rogers modem router, then follow the on-screen instructions to change your Wi-Fi settings. Keeping your Rogers 5G home internet Wi-Fi secure is essential. Regularly changing your Wi-Fi password and SSID is a basic security measure. A strong password prevents unauthorized access. Use at least 12 to 20 characters with a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. WPA3 offers the best security, but ensure your devices are compatible. If not, use WPA2. Avoid using WEP as it's outdated and vulnerable. Rogers recommends using the My Wi-Fi app for making changes, as it minimizes errors and provides an easier interface. After making changes, remember to reboot your Rogers gateway for the changes to take effect. Finally, keep your gateway's firmware updated to protect against the latest threats. Rogers automatically pushes firmware updates, but ensure your gateway is online to receive them. For optimal security, enable automatic security patching, which is a standard feature in Rogers' latest firmware. To stay secure, understand threats like rogue access points that intercept communications and vulnerabilities in outdated protocols like WEP.